Okay guys, quick disclaimer. I just got a brand new microphone and I'm not 100% sure on how to record on this, so if some of the audio in this video is a little bit spotty, I apologize. But anyways, let's get into the video. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a part 2 to upgrading and cleaning out this computer that I bought at a Goodwill. So basically today we're going to be putting new thermal paste on the processor and adding some expansion cards to the PC. So basically I found a bunch of thermal paste at a garage sale. The guy made something called a cloud chamber, which picks up radiation. I recommend you go search what a cloud chamber is, because I'm not good at describing it. But long story short, he bought a bunch of thermal paste and it wasn't efficient. So I got a large quantity of thermal paste now, and we're gonna put some on this processor. Alright, we've removed the heatsink. We've got it sitting over to the side, and we're gonna wipe down the processor with some isopropyl alcohol, and then we'll put the thermal paste on. Alright guys, here we go. We're gonna put the thermal paste on the processor now. Alright, we've applied thermal paste. I apologize for this camera angle. I know it's not a very good camera angle. Now we also replaced the CD drive, although this was a little bit earlier that we did this. The old one didn't work, but the new one works just fine. And now I'm going to be installing this new USB card. Alright guys, I forgot the camera wasn't rolling, but we did get the new USB card in place. Now we just put the lid back on the PC, and we're pretty much done. Now that is going to be the end of this video. And if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to drop a like or hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time.